Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to use a region-changed account on Steam, perfect for accessing localized content and store options. First, open Steam and log in with your account name and password. Next, click your username in the top right corner and select Profile. Then click Account Details and choose Update Store Country. Steam may ask for proof of residency or a payment method from the new region. If you run into issues, click Contact Steam Support and submit a detailed request. Include your new location and any supporting info, then click Send. Wait for Steam's response. The review process may take time depending on support traffic. Important: do not use a VPN to change your region. This violates Steam's terms and could result in a ban, and that's it. You've just learned how to use a region-changed Steam account safely and correctly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.